Hello guys, support us and subscribe to our channel, give likes and write comments. Today we will read Mystery of the Castle, Mystical Bodies in the Castle. Well, let's get started. Deep in the heart of an ancient castle, there is a mystery that has puzzled people for centuries. It is said that a strange creature lives within the castle walls, a being unlike any other. Some say it is a ghost, while others believe it to be a demon. But the truth of what it is remains a mystery. The creature is said to have the ability to change shape and disappear into the shadows at will. It is also said to be incredibly strong and fast, able to move around the castle with ease. Many people have claimed to have seen the creature, but no one has ever been able to capture it or prove its existence. It has been described as having a terrifying appearance with glowing eyes and a long tail. It is said to have made terrifying howling sounds. There are many stories and legends that surround this mysterious creature. Some say that the creature is a protector of the castle, keeping it safe from intruders. Others believe that it is a curse put on the castle by a powerful sorcerer long ago. Some others say that it is a cursed spirit that was bound in the castle by the sorcerer and was never able to leave. The castle where this creature is said to reside is known for its age and its rich history. Many people have been drawn to it over the years, curious to see the castle and to learn more about the creature that is said to live there. Some visitors have reported strange occurrences, such as unexplained noises or the feeling of being watched, while others have felt a sense of unease or even fear when visiting the castle. Despite the many theories and legends surrounding the creature, one thing is certain: the ancient castle is a place of mystery and intrigue, and the strange being that is said to inhabit it only adds to the allure. Some people believe that the creature is still there, waiting for someone brave enough to uncover the truth about it. It is a place that has captured the imagination of many people, a place where the lines between reality and legend are blurred, and the truth may be something that is never truly known. It is a good story to tell. Perhaps one day someone will be brave enough to discover what is hidden in old castle. Who knows, maybe it is just a legend, or perhaps it is a truth waiting to be uncovered. The ancient castle with its airy stories and legends will always remain a source of fascination for people. It's a good place to visit for anyone who is interested in history, mystery, and adventure. Despite the fear and unease that the creature may evoke, many brave individuals have still decided to take the challenge and explore the castle in hopes of finding some clues about the creature. Some of them have reported strange occurrences while exploring the castle, such as ghostly whispers, cold spots, and even strange shadows. Many have been discouraged, but some have persevered and been rewarded with strange and mysterious findings. Some have found ancient scrolls and manuscripts that revolve stories and legends about the castle, its inhabitants, and the mysterious creature. Others, however, came back empty-handed, and some even claimed that the creature had attacked them, leaving them injured or traumatized. There are also stories of people who have ventured into the castle but never returned. This only adds to the mystery of the creature and the castle. Despite the dangers, many people are still drawn to the ancient castle and the creature that is said to live there. Some are brave souls looking for adventure, while others are researchers and historians who are determined to uncover the truth about the castle and the creature. One can only wonder what truly lies within the castle walls and what secrets the creature may hold. Perhaps one day the truth about the creature will be uncovered and the mystery will finally be solved. Until then, the ancient castle and its mysterious inhabitant will continue to captivate the minds and imaginations of people for generations to come. As the years went by, more and more people began to believe that the creature in the castle was nothing more than a legend. They said that it was just a story created to scare people away from the castle, and that there was no such creature. Others, however, were convinced that it was real, and they were determined to find proof of its existence. One day, a group of researchers, including historians, anthropologists, and paranormal experts, decided to conduct an investigation of the castle. They spent months studying all the available evidence, including all documents, witness statements, and stories passed down through the generations. They also set up cameras, sensors, and others recording devices all over the castle in the hopes of capturing evidence of the creature. After months of research and investigation, the team finally found some conclusive evidence of the creature's existence. They managed to capture video footage of it on one of their cameras, as well as audio recordings of its terrifying howls. They also found other physical evidence, such as strange footprints and claw marks on the walls. The news of the creature's existence quickly spread, and people from all over the world came to the castle to see it from themselves. The castle, which had been abandoned for centuries, was now a popular tourist destination, with many people visiting it every day to catch a glimpse of the creature. Some were excited to see it, while others were terrified, but all agreed that the creature was a fascinating and mysterious being, one that would continue to captivate people for years to come. The team of researchers published their findings, but some critics dismissed it as hoax or staged events. Nevertheless, this finding had sparked a renewed interest in the castle and its inhabitants. Both past and present and many more people are determined to unravel its secrets. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.